In this video, I'll show you how to use ChatGPT Voice Mode. First, open the ChatGPT app on your smartphone and sign in to your account if you haven't already. Next, start a new chat or open an existing conversation. Look for the voice icon near the message box and tap it to begin a voice conversation. If this is your first time using voice mode, the app may ask for permission to access your microphone. Tap Allow to continue. Now, start speaking naturally. You can ask questions, request explanations, brainstorm ideas, or have a normal conversation with ChatGPT. After you finish speaking, ChatGPT will process your request and respond with a spoken reply. After that, continue the conversation by speaking again whenever you're ready. You can interrupt ChatGPT while it's talking by speaking over it, or end the conversation at any time by tapping the X or End button, depending on your version of the app. Finally, if you'd like to change the voice, open the voice mode settings and choose one of the available voices. Your selection will be used for future voice conversations unless you change it again. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to use ChatGPT Voice Mode. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.